In this video, we will talk about how to deploy a web application to the cloud, so make sure to watch the full video. Deploying a web application to the cloud enhances accessibility, scalability, and reliability. This guide will walk you through the essential steps, from selecting the right cloud provider to setting up a robust deployment environment. You'll learn how to automate processes, manage resources efficiently, and monitor your application to ensure optimal performance and security in the cloud. 1. Introduction to cloud deployment. Cloud deployment refers to the process of hosting and running applications on remote servers that are managed by a cloud service provider rather than on local infrastructure. This approach provides scalability, flexibility, and cost-effectiveness, allowing developers to focus on building and maintaining applications without worrying about hardware management. In this section, we will explore the advantages of cloud deployment, including the ability to scale resources up or down based on demand, enhance accessibility for users from anywhere with an internet connection, and leverage advanced tools and services offered by cloud providers. Additionally, we will discuss the different deployment models, such as public, private, and hybrid clouds, to help you understand which is best suited for your application's needs. 2. Choosing the right cloud provider, AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure. Selecting the right cloud provider is crucial for the success of your deployment strategy. Amazon Web Services, AWS, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, and Microsoft Azure are three leading cloud service providers, each offering a wide range of services and features. In this section, we will compare these platforms based on factors such as pricing, service offerings, scalability, and ease of use. You will learn about specific features like AWS's extensive service catalog, Google Cloud's advanced machine learning capabilities, and Azure's seamless integration with Microsoft products. We will also discuss the importance of evaluating your project requirements, such as performance needs, geographic reach, and potential growth, to choose the most suitable provider for your web application. 3. Preparing your web application for deployment. Before deploying your web application to the cloud, it is essential to prepare it properly to ensure a smooth deployment process. This section will guide you through the necessary steps, including optimizing your codebase, configuring environment variables, and ensuring proper dependency management. We'll discuss best practices for structuring your application for cloud environments, such as separating front-end and back-end components and leveraging configuration files for different environments, development, staging, production. Additionally, we will cover testing your application thoroughly to identify and fix any bugs before deployment, as well as creating a deployment checklist to streamline the process and minimize errors. 4. Setting up a cloud environment. Setting up a cloud environment involves provisioning the necessary resources and configuring them to support your web application. In this section, we will walk you through the process of creating a virtual server or instance on your chosen cloud provider. You will learn how to select the appropriate instance type based on your application's performance needs, set up networking configurations, and secure your environment using security groups or firewalls. This section will also cover storage options, such as block storage and object storage, and how to configure a domain name for your application, ensuring it is accessible to users. Additionally, we will discuss the importance of setting up backups and recovery solutions to safeguard your data. 5. Configuring C/CD pipelines for automated deployment. Continuous integration, C, and continuous deployment, CD, are practices that automate the process of integrating code changes and deploying applications to the cloud. This section will explain how to set up a C/CD pipeline using popular tools like Jenkins, GitHub Actions, or GitLab C. You will learn how to automate testing, build processes, and deployment steps to ensure that new code changes are quickly and reliably pushed to production. We will also discuss the benefits of C/CD, including faster development cycles, improved code quality, and reduced risk of errors during deployment. Additionally, we'll cover how to monitor and manage your pipeline to ensure smooth operations. 6. Deploying with Google Cloud Platform. Google Cloud Platform, GCP, provides a variety of services for deploying applications, including App Engine, Cloud Run, and Compute Engine. In this section, you'll learn how to choose the right service based on your application architecture and requirements. We will walk you through the process of deploying your application to App Engine, which handles much of the infrastructure management automatically, allowing you to focus on your code. Alternatively, if you prefer more control, we will discuss how to use Compute Engine to create virtual machines for deployment. This section will also cover configuring your database on Cloud SQL and setting up monitoring and logging using Google Cloud's integrated tools. 7. Deploying on Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure offers a robust platform for deploying web applications with services like Azure App Service, virtual machines, and Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS. In this section, we'll explore how to deploy your application using Azure App Service, which allows for easy deployment and scaling of web apps without managing the underlying infrastructure. You will learn how to create an Azure App Service instance, configure it to run your application, and set up deployment slots for staging and testing. If your application requires containerization, we will discuss deploying using Azure Kubernetes Service, providing an overview of container orchestration and management. Additionally, we will cover integrating Azure storage solutions and monitoring tools to keep your application running smoothly. 8. Scaling and managing resources in the cloud. One of the main advantages of cloud deployment is the ability to scale your resources based on demand. In this section, you will learn how to implement auto-scaling features to dynamically adjust resources as user traffic fluctuates. We'll discuss load balancing strategies to distribute traffic evenly across instances, ensuring optimal performance and availability. Additionally, we will cover resource management best practices, such as monitoring resource usage with tools provided by your cloud provider, setting up alerts for performance issues, and optimizing costs by adjusting instance types or using reserved instances. This section emphasizes the importance of proactive resource management to maintain a reliable and cost-effective cloud deployment. 9. Monitoring and maintaining your cloud-deployed application. Once your application is live in the cloud, ongoing monitoring and maintenance are crucial for ensuring its reliability and performance. In this section, you'll learn about the various monitoring tools offered by cloud providers, such as AWS CloudWatch, Google Cloud Monitoring, or Azure Monitor, which help track application health and performance metrics. We will cover setting up alerts for critical issues, analyzing logs for troubleshooting, and optimizing application performance based on user feedback and data insights. Additionally, we'll discuss the importance of regular updates, security patches, and backups to maintain application integrity. This section highlights the continuous nature of cloud deployment and the need for an ongoing commitment to monitoring and maintenance. 10. Deploying your application using AWS EC2. Amazon EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud, is a widely used service for deploying applications on AWS. In this section, we'll guide you through the process of launching an EC2 instance, configuring it to run your web application, and deploying your code. You will learn how to use SSH for secure access to your instance, set up web servers such as Apache or Nginx, and deploy your application files. We will also cover how to configure environment variables, manage database connections, and ensure your application is running efficiently. Additionally, we'll discuss how to set up load balancers and auto-scaling groups to manage traffic and maintain performance during peak usage times. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.